I need to finish this one way or the other. It's all fogging up. Full snowfall anamata. Should have worn an inner glove as well. This is the last thing we needed. Off-roading. Come on, Sam. Come out. Almost. It's never ending. भाई साहब एक फोटो खींचो ना प्लीज.
हो गया कोई इधर आओ नीचे. मैडम झंडा हाथ में जब तक आप 2 मिनट रहिए.
मैडम एक सर हाँ.
अच्छा एक चाहिए. ओके.
So off we go towards Khardungla, top of the world. So we fueled up and we headed towards Khardungla now. It's getting a little overcast. Onward we go towards Khardungla. Look at this view, goodness gracious. Just a single lane road, narrow road, no railings, nothing. And you have oncoming traffic as well. One of the best roads, and the view is absolutely out of this world. Holy, oh my, what a moment, what a memory that I'm gonna cherish all my life. So actually checking చేస్తారు. సో లైక్ ఇక డీనో అని చెప్తే మన సబ్స్క్రైబర్ ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టారు కాబట్టి సరిపోయింది. But thank you so much. It's a beautiful place, beautiful people. Thanks for allowing us to explore it. అక్కడ రాసుంది you are on the highest motorable road ani. So it's written there that we are on the highest motorable road. Such an exciting, thrilling feeling. So glad I met a subscriber here. Beautiful, what an adventure, and what a morning it's turning out to be. Glorious mountains, dark overcast skies, amazing road, and a brilliant machine as a perfect companion. Every day, some of the quotes here are so meaningful and so thoughtful and so well made, and not many people tour on the RR310 because they think it's a little aggressive, but trust me, maybe for me because I've gotten used to Daytona, but still it is quite upright. It's not as aggressive as the RC or the other super sport models or the R15. This is far more comfortable. హైక్ చేసే వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు, ట్రెక్కింగ్ చేసే వాళ్ళు. 28 kilometers చూపిస్తుంది టు ద టాప్. ఇంకా స్టార్టింగ్ టు డ్రిజిల్ నా, చినుకులు పడుతున్నాయి. దట్స్ ద లాస్ట్ థింగ్ I was hoping not to happen. And these drivers here driving through these narrow roads, super skillful, gotten used to these roads and curves and altitudes. They just play around with the vehicles, but only thing is people like us who are new to this place, we need to be careful because they are fearless, but we need to be a little watchful. Oh God, please stop raining, please stop raining. I think we're almost there. It is getting cooler and cooler as we draw closer and closer to the top. भाई और आगे जाना ना?
कहाँ जाना है?
कारदुंगला
आगे जाना है, अभी तक है।
अभी 20 किलोमीटर है। So they have also stopped for a break, but మనం ఆగట్లేదన్నమాట, ముందుకు సాగుతూ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాము. There's a tourist van that is tailing me. These guys don't stop, they just fly by because they have great confidence here, but only thing is that it might freak you out in this high altitude with no fences, nothing, massive drop right next to you, and these guys perform a quick overtake. It's gonna be really scary. Just be mentally strong, that's it. Okay, here we get a thumbs up from a biker brother. I had to finish this one way or the other. 14 kilometers or 10 kilometers remaining. It's getting very slippery. Be very careful with the braking here because of the black ice, a thin sheet of ice that forms on top of the road. You have no clue. Just checking whether the GoPro is recording or not. Zero visibility now, almost. It's all fogging up. Got to be very careful. Full fog వచ్చేసింది అన్నమాట ఇప్పుడు. అల్టిమేట్ అడ్వెంచర్ అయిపోతుంది ఇది. So the bike is also holding up well. Hope we reach the top soon because it's getting more and more challenging. Should have worn an inner glove as well, is what I feel now. Please wear an inner glove. This normal full gauntlet is not sufficient, and doing something like this at night time is not at all suggested. Right through the middle of the road. This, I think this is better. Dual visor saves the day. Oh God, and this guy is coming really fast. slippery, wet conditions. To shield my nose, goodness gracious. Look at the view. On top of the world. On top of the world. I'm kind of motivating myself because weather was pleasant. It would have been a different thing, but goodness gracious, it's icy cold. Reminded of Mr. Freeze. Oh my god. Thank you, Lord. Give me strength to finish this. Oh. Come on, baby. Come on, man. You can do it. Yeah. Let's keep pushing on. Oh. Trust me. Inner gloves. I regret. You require inner gloves. You're gonna freeze to death otherwise. This is super cool actually. You guys are taking pictures. Oh goodness gracious. Oh. It's cleared up a little. Thank God for that. Come on, Dino. Let's go for glory. What happened? Is the road closed or something? No. There we can see it. There we can see it. Snow-capped mountains. Whoa, ho, ho. Beautiful. Beautiful. Roads are very tricky here. Don't go to the sides. Stay right in the middle. It is getting slippery. Okay, let him go. This is the last thing we needed. Off-roading. Naveen said extremely cold. I have to double underscore the word extreme. Whoa, whoa. My hands are freezing to death. Oh, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah, baby. Let's go. Let's get this done and over with. Last stretch is the off-roading part. Can't even stand up. That's how freezing it is. Oh. Ah, little bit of sunlight. Such a relief. Come on, Sam. Come out. Come out, son. Come out. Yeah, blue skies. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Off-roading. Apache RR310 में off-roading. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Standing up and riding. Standing up and delivering. Oh, way to go, bro. Yeah. Finally, we are almost there. Almost is never ending. Finally, on top of the world. Yes. भाई साहब एक फोटो खींचो ना प्लीज।
आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि
सर जी एक फोटो लेने दीजिए, एक फोटो लेने दीजिए ना।
नहीं है, थोड़ा सा गरम करें। हो गया, तो इधर आओ नीचे। मैडम झंडा हाथ में जब तक आप 2 मिनट रहिए।
मैडम एक सर हाँ
अच्छा लेग चाहिए, ओके। हो गया, मैं फिर आपकी बाइक से तो ले सकता हूं।
हाँ
आपकी बाइक के फोटो ले।
हाँ लीजिए।
मेरे को भी लेने बाइक से।
एक सेकंड ना। स्टैंड एक सेकंड स्टैंड लगा दीजिए। एक सेकंड
मैं लगा दूं?
हाँ
सर मैं इसे खिंचवा लेता हूँ, आप खड़े रहो भले। वाह आप दोनों बाइक से आए।
थैंक यू सो मच। बैठ जा।
अरे बैठना क्या है।
We have beautiful moment. This is snowfall right here at Khardungla. It's priceless moment. Actually, all the hard work paid off. It's freezing cold. Wow. Beautiful moment. Absolutely breathtaking, huh? Cheppu.
God has finally graced us with this snow. Beautiful moment.
The moment of బయటికి వచ్చేటప్పుడు పైకి వచ్చేటప్పుడు it was absolutely
Freezing cold.
cold.
And we rode almost 4,000 kilometers.
Yes.
And finally our
Finally,
prayers
it's paying
have been
off.
answered. Yeah,
God has been gracious enough. This is not easy actually, trust me.
definitely.
It's
There
not
was
easy.
a lot of breathing issues, and midway we were actually welcomed by hailstorm as well.
Hailstorm as well. Everything happened. It was really dramatic, adventurous, off-road and rain, hailstorm, snowfall, and finally blessed with the snowfall. Ending in a grand style, huh?
We are actually lucky.
Lucky, yeah.
ఏం ఆగేది లేదు కదా, వెళ్ళిపోవడమే కదా. లమయూరు ఆగండి మోస్ట్. కార్గిల్ మరీ టూ హెక్టిక్ అయిపోతుందేమో.
వర్షం గిట్ట పడకుండా ఉంటే చాలరా.
కలిసి మీరు కిందికి దిగిన తర్వాత లే సైడ్ లేదన్నా. బాయ్నా, సేఫ్ రైడ్.